Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create animated logos in Reevio. If you haven't already, I'd encourage you to watch this video to get an overview of Reevio Video Maker. So I'm logged into my Reevio account, and up top you will find various tabs. The logo templates are under the Logos tab, and you will find a variety of logo templates. For the purpose of this demo, I will use this logo template called Particles. If you hover your mouse over a specific template and click the play button, you will see the preview of the logo animation, as you can see here. To use a specific video template, click the Customize button, and you will see this dialog box with some details of the template. For example, this one is 30 seconds in duration. Click the Customize button to use this template, and it'll open the Reevio Video Editor. Enter the name of your project, and click Continue. Each logo template is different. For example, in this template, you have a logo image and a text box at the bottom. You will see these tabs in the left sidebar. Go to the Media tab to add your logo image and click this Add button to upload your logo image. You can drag and drop your image here, or click the Browse button and then choose your logo image, and then click the Upload Files button. You can then drag and drop the logo image into the logo section like so. Next, we'll change the text. Click on the text box, and you can enter a text here as well as change the color. Note that in some logo templates, changing the color won't make a difference. In the Music tab, you can use the preloaded music or add your own music by using the Add Files button. Alternatively, you can change the default music by clicking this Change Audio button and using another audio clip from the Reevio music library. I'm just going to stick with the default music. You can also use this Fade Out button to fade the music at the end of the video if you wish. Finally, once you're ready, you can click the Submit Video button, and you will see this message indicating that the video is in the process of rendering. You can click the Go to My Videos button, and you will see that the video is rendering. And once your video has rendered, you can use these buttons to preview the rendered video and download the MP4 to your computer. You can also use the Clone button to edit this video again if you need to. But that's pretty much it. And here's how the logo animation came out.